Let's be real for a second. Everyone is telling you that AI is coming for your job. The headlines say it, your friends talk about it, and deep down, you feel that slight panic every time a new automation tool drops. You've been told to learn coding, to get more certificates, to work harder. But what if I told you that the advice you're getting is exactly what will get you replaced? A few weeks ago, I was sitting at my desk in Sana'a late at night. I looked at the project I was working on, and then I looked at what the latest AI models could do. For a minute, I just stared at the wall. I felt this heavy wave of irrelevance. Everything I spent years teaching myself suddenly looked like a commodity you could buy for $20 a month. But then, I noticed something else. I looked closer at what the AI generated. On paper, it was perfect. It had no typos, the colors were balanced, the code was clean. But it was completely dead. It had no soul, it had no perspective. It felt like hotel room art. Nice to look at for a second, but nobody actually cares about it. That's when it hit me. AI is not replacing creative humans. AI is replacing people who perform like algorithms. To become unreplaceable in the age of AI, you don't need to work more. You need to activate. The indispensable rule. It's built on 3 shifts you must make today. First, switch from making to curating. The world doesn't need more content, more text, or more designs. We are drowning in data. Your value is no longer in creating the noise. It's in your taste. AI can give you 100 options, but it doesn't know which one matters. Develop an opinion. Your taste is the only thing that cannot be reverse engineered. Second, the 80-20 tool split. Stop running away from AI and stop letting it do your thinking. Spend 20% of your time letting AI handle the boring, repetitive tasks, like generating transcripts or organizing files. But spend 80% of your time on the heavy human lifting, strategy, deep psychology, and emotional connection. Third, build a portfolio of scars, not certificates. The market is flooded with people holding digital certificates. No one cares. The world cares about problems you've actually solved. Show the world your messy, real projects. Show your failures and how you fix them. We've spent enough time staring at the screen today. Let's actually do something about it. Here is your challenge for the next 24 hours. Take one thing you are working on right now. Delete the template. Close the automated assistant. Inject your own weird, specific human perspective into it. Make it something only you would say or make. When you're done, come back here and leave a comment saying, "I am not a robot." Let's see who is actually building a legacy and who is just waiting to be automated. If you want real talk about building a mind that stands out in an age of noise, hit subscribe to Titan Lessons. Stop scrolling. Go build something real. I'll see you in the comments.